You having a look at the sheep?
Look at the size of the balls on them.
You what?
They've got massive testicles.
Okay. Right, now this Ford's got out of the way. We're on the coast road with the new 50 limit, and we're going to go up to Gooseneck. I'm going to show you the back way to get there, which you can do if the mountain's closed. First kind of point, or major landmark, if you can call it that, is this corner here that we've just gone round. I call it the turntable because there's a house down to the left that has a turntable for turning cars around. You then come up the hill here. It's a fairly steep hill, and it's called the Rest and Be Thankful. This will bring you up. Bloody hell, a bit windy. At speeds of 50 miles an hour, of course, with the wonderful new limits. Oh, and a big dirty grid. Anyway, what am I on about? Rest and Be Thankful. There she is. So come up the Rest and Be Thankful, and we're going to turn around, sort of left, right, and drop over onto the big Hibernia dip in the straight, and that's where we'll find the entrance. Follow the lane up to the back of the Gooseneck. Obviously it looks a bit different if you're coming from Douglas Way, so I'll show you that now. Well, coming from the Douglas Way, your first marker is going to be the school. School's home, signs up for it, big bus stop. It's a school, hoorah! Track the sign. Then you come down the hill into this tight little right, down into the Corony dip. Up into the 40 zone. And up to one of the new 50 zones. The power, the fury. Now here's a little sneaky turn, and it's not the best signposted thing, so I might go past it now. Hey. Come past the signs, down to the dip, and there she is. And there's two. They both link the same way. So that's Douglas Way. Now if you come down from Ramsey Way, which is the way I am now, this is what it looks like. There's some incredible crosswinds, although the trees don't seem to be doing much. A bit mad. So as I discovered coming from the other way, which I'd forgotten and I forget every year, there's two entrances. So you can see one and go, oh shit, it was that one, and take the next one. Which has the big stop sign on it, but you go two-way. That's where the other one takes you. So it's a straight shot down and out. Got some loose stuff in the middle of the road, plus the sketchy single track road, so don't be caning it. That's just common sense. There is quite a common spot for anyone that's been here before. A little bit of slip, got pillion on the back, so be careful. Anyone that knows the way, or you after you've watched this that knows the way, there'll be people coming to and from, people you know want to change around spots. Benefit of this one is you are on a part of the mountain, but you can leave without having to go onto any of the course and sort of jet off to anywhere outside of the course. So there'll be bikes coming down, possibly cars. Pay attention to that, be mindful, use your common sense, basic stuff. Come on, you've got a license, I don't need to tell you that. I haven't been up here since last year, so we'll see what goes on. One thing I do remember is you may get parked quite a while away. General sort of easy rule of thumb if I was coming along here now and there was loads of bikes abandoned at the side, find a spot and park there, because there probably isn't going to be one further up. Cattle grid. Oh, okay. Straight over. Well, that's actually quite a nice one for going over on bikes, not the bar type. A fantastic view over the island, as most places are from up on the mountain. Very shaky. No, we're not going to go down that big sketchy path, because that would just be ridiculous. That leads to the top of Sky Hill Green Lane, I think. This is very loose. Well, the tracks aren't at the side, which is where I'm riding, but I'm down in the middle. It would be a bit slippery. So there's quite a distance down, as you can see. And there we go, this is the plantation. I recognise this from the top end. So I'll coast down through. And we'll go and have a look to see what these new spectator restrictions are. Because from the road it looked like you can't really go anywhere on Gooseneck, which is a shame because it is a nice spot. So one more cattle grid, keep everything off the course. That's a bar type one. And here we are, we've got the marshal's hut and such. Get off. Thank you. Let's have a look. Okay, so all of the forward bank is restricted, as you'd expect. The inside has always been restricted. This area is restricted. Okay. So how close can you get to the signs? Because you obviously can't watch there, but you can have a crap. Can't watch here. What about down there? I can't see any signs here. This looks like it's alright. Can't go on the overside over there. So you can just watch from this wall. Is that it? I imagine they're thinking as if someone comes out, runs wide or runs on, they're not going to land on your lap. But they could do that here. Come straight over this 1 foot wall. So you can watch from the wall. That's alright, that's going to be a good view. Track side. I don't understand how these signs work. How close can you get? I mean, if that's a line across there, you can come up to it. Is that okay? Can't watch in the bank. That's fine. Most places they're being a bit arsey about being in the bank. But you can't stand here. But you can have a shit. I assume so anyway. So where would you be watching from? Up on here. Is this allowed? That's a pretty decent view for 15 people at a squeeze. How am I so out of breath? Jesus Christ. I've walked up a slight incline. Right. Ghost in the loo. Is that Holmesy? Or has he sold it? Oh! How manx is that? Peter goes past at the bottom, I spot Neil at the side, and the other bike I see. I'm not sure who's riding it, but I know the bike. Manx to the max. Right, so you can't stand anywhere here. Unless that's a line. Must be able to stand. Yeah, oh, I wonder if it's that. Draw a line from there to there, straight down. That's got to be the one, hasn't it? You can stand across this imaginary line. That's a good view. See right down, all the way up. It's going to get cramped, it's going to get tight. But hey, at least I showed you how to get here and get back so we can keep the people flowing. Everyone can see. It's a bit watered down. Well, hey, you water down the TT a little bit and you've still got the greatest race on earth. He's going for some laps. Right. Anywhere else you'd like to see, how to get to, how not to. I think it's worth showing the access in Douglas, how to get to the inside of the track from the outside when it's all shut. We'll go for that. If you've got any other spots you want to see, you want me to investigate before TT, drop a comment below and we'll go check it out. Subscribe for me to not swallow a fly. Christ. Ugh. Subscribe to see what I'm doing in TT. There'll be more spots, there'll be more activities, there'll be more TT. Ciao.